The clock is ticking on your legal rights. Whether you're seeking justice or defending against accusations, understanding the statute of limitations could make or break your case. This crucial legal concept sets time limits on when legal actions can be filed, affecting everything from criminal prosecutions to civil lawsuits, and even debt collection. The statute of limitations is a law that establishes a specific time frame within which legal proceedings must be initiated. Its primary purpose is to ensure fair trials by preserving the integrity of evidence and protecting defendants from facing charges for long-past actions. This concept dates back to ancient Rome and remains a fundamental part of modern legal systems worldwide. One of the most important aspects of the statute of limitations is its variability. Different types of cases have different time limits. For instance, minor offenses like misdemeanors might have a statute of just 1 or 2 years, while more serious crimes such as felonies often have longer statutes, or in some cases, no time limit at all. Civil cases also vary, with personal injury claims typically allowing 2 to 3 years to file, while breach of contract cases might permit anywhere from 3 to 10 years. For defendants, the statute of limitations can serve as a powerful legal defense. If a case is brought against them after the statutory period has expired, they can argue for dismissal based on the time limit. However, it's crucial to raise this defense early in the proceedings, typically when first responding to the complaint. Failing to do so may forfeit the right to use this defense later. In some situations, the statute of limitations can be paused or tolled. This often occurs when a defendant leaves the jurisdiction, effectively extending the period during which a case can be filed. The discovery rule is another important exception, particularly in cases where harm isn't immediately apparent, such as medical malpractice or toxic exposure. In these instances, the statute may not begin until the injury is discovered. Certain crimes and situations are exempt from statutes of limitations altogether. Murder, for example, typically has no time limit for prosecution. Other serious offenses like sexual crimes against minors, violent felonies, and arson may also be exempt, depending on the jurisdiction. These exceptions ensure that perpetrators of heinous crimes cannot escape justice simply by evading detection for a set period. It's important to note that statutes of limitations can vary significantly from state to state. What might be a 2-year limit in one state could be 5 years in another. Additionally, federal crimes often have different statutes than state-level offenses. This variability underscores the importance of consulting with legal professionals familiar with the specific laws in your jurisdiction. The concept of statutes of limitations extends beyond criminal law into civil matters and even financial claims. Debt collection, for instance, is subject to these time limits, with creditors typically having between 3 to 10 years to pursue legal action for unpaid debts. Similarly, there are time limits on filing claims for securities fraud or tax collection by the IRS. Understanding the statute of limitations is crucial for anyone involved in or considering legal action. These time limits serve to balance the scales of justice, ensuring that legal proceedings are initiated while evidence is still fresh and reliable, while also protecting individuals from the constant threat of litigation or prosecution for long-past actions. Whether you're seeking to file a lawsuit, defend against charges, or simply understand your rights, being aware of these legal time limits could be the key to protecting your interests in the complex world of law and justice.